everyone! I am Chef Amy Caluya Geronimo of Mrs. G Baking and Decorating Studio. And this is my Bakersfield series of yumminess. Bakersfield is the country's leading brand of premium baking products ranging from icings to fudges to cake mixes to colors and heat-stable flavors. So join me as we explore the delicious and yummy world of Bakersfield. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the Christmas season once again. And I will share with you a kitchen-tested, foolproof recipe. This is cherry bars. So, if you want, you can add some nuts to the recipe and also glazed fruits. So, you will have your own version of a blondie fruitcake, something like that, okay? So first, I will show you how to prep your pans. Like this one, we will be using a square brownie pan, but you can also use a regular pan. It's a 9 by 13, and then you can just slice it after baking. Or you can also use a cupcake pan, yung 12-hole na cupcake pan. But for this recipe, I want to use the square pan para naman maiba siya ng itsura. Okay. How do you prepare this one? You need to generously brush this with shortening each cavity para hindi mo na kailangang maglagay ng liner. Okay? So, I have developed a foolproof way of prepping this kind of pans. You have to start off like what I did a while back. You have to brush it generously with shortening. And then, do not just put flour. What I do is I combine crushed graham crackers. The ratio is 1:1. So, if you have 1/2 cup of crushed graham, you have to add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and then just mix. So ito talaga hindi didikit yung goodies ninyo dito sa ganitong pan. This is also perfect for mga bund pans na maraming design para lahat ng corners, the nooks and crannies of the design will appear as is. Okay, so we just add here a little, this one, okay, like that, and then we just tilt to cover all the 4 sides. Okay, so like that. So for this recipe, we have to start off with Bakersfield BOB. It is the butter oil blend. It is a very aromatic and yummy baking ingredient. The yumminess comes from the butter and the moistness of your product will come from the oil. So it's butter oil blend or BOB. So we have melted this one. This is 1 cup BOB melted. But the exact amount of your recipes will be posted in the video also. And then to this one, we will add 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. So this is a very sticky ingredient. What I do is I dip my tablespoon in the butter and then measure the corn syrup and then just add it like that so it slides down beautifully. Okay, so to this one we will add our sugar. So this recipe does not need any mixer. You just need your wire whisk. Alright, we have to mix until the sugar is melted. And then we add our 2 eggs. This is a very easy recipe to do. You just need to measure all ingredients very well. So the egg, the sugar, the butter, and the corn syrup are well incorporated. We can now add our flour. Okay? This includes the baking powder and the salt and the all-purpose flour sifted before you add it to the butter and egg mixture. Okay? So with your wire whisk, you just slowly incorporate all the ingredients together. Now if you see a little bit more flour, you stop at this point and add your chopped cherries. And then when you don't see any trace of flour anymore, you stop mixing. That's it. So for this one, we will be using a big scoop. This recipe can make 12 bars. So this recipe will not rise like any other regular cake or bar or cookies. So kailangan yung laman ng inyong pans eksakto na siya. Kasi hindi na ito aalsa pa. It will look nicer. So it's better if you fill it up to the line of the cavities. So makikita mo, nalagay mo na yung 1 scoop per cavity, pero may sobra ka ba, you just add a little to each one. Okay, so we're done. We have to bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for around 12 to 15 minutes. We have different sizes of oven. The smaller your oven, the longer the baking time. The bigger your oven, the shorter the baking time. So after 10 minutes, you have to check if it's done. So preferably, you have to underbake this a little bit. Okay? So after 15 minutes, this is how the bars look like. Gorgeous, aren't they? So after it has cooled down a bit, we can now plate it. What we do is we invert, okay? So that you can see the cherries, the red and green cherries. And then pwede nating ayusin the way you like it. Parang ganyan. Pagtabi-tabihin natin sila. So, tabing-tabi. Sana ikaw na lang ang sidecar ko. Bakit? Para hindi na ako single. Talagang ipinasok no? So, ideally it should look like this, but we're going to plate it again in a while. And then, this is the point where we put our cherries. So this is the point where we put our cherries. We will use red and green cherries, and in your plating, we just need to press it a little bit. Okay? So this is a very dense bar. If you want to serve it in small pieces, you can cut them into triangles. So these are our holiday cherry bars using the butter oil blend of Bakersfield. Okay? Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Happy Holidays!